Hepatomegaly is the medical term used to denote an increase in size of the liver or liver enlargement. Assessment of liver size is commonly made on ultrasound or CT scan, although gross hepatomegaly may be seen even on abdominal radiograph. For the adult human liver, the midclavicular line, that is a line drawn bisecting the middle of the right clavicle, should average 10 to 12.5 centimeters, and a liver that is longer than 15.5 to 16 centimeter in the midclavicular line is considered enlarged, aka hepatomegaly. In addition, the average transverse length of the liver, that is the horizontal length, is 20 to 23 centimeters at the level of the upper pole of the kidney. So our cutoff along the right midclavicular line, more than 15.5 to 16 centimeters, and more than 20 to 23 centimeters for the transverse length, this is considered hepatomegaly. In practice, however, assessment is very subjective, and other features that may support hepatomegaly include extension of the right liver lobe inferior to the lower pole of the right kidney. Our differentials for hepatomegaly are extremely varied and include malignancy, such as hepatocellular carcinoma, lymphoma, and metastasis, acquired liver conditions such as fatty liver, medically known as hepatic steatosis, liver cirrhosis, hepatitis, and congenital or inborn disorders such as anatomical and biochemical anomalies like the glycogen storage diseases, Wilson disease, and biliary atresia.